Hello, it's Tuesday the 30th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. Now, with no key data due for the release this week, the market is rather focusing on the MPC meeting. Expectation there is for no change, but votes to pause may rise from 6 to 8. Catherine Mann still looks likely to vote for another rate hike, despite wider expectation for the first rate cut to be seen in May, and some calling it even as early as March. Bailey's press conference will be scoured for clues after the meeting on Thursday, but the expectation is that the rate cut will come before inflation gets to 2% to ensure they don't overshoot their target. Over in the US, the Fed meeting should be pretty uneventful too. There is an outside chance that Powell's press conference will see him push back against those calling for earlier rate cuts. But the Fed's position is pretty comfortable at the moment, and they are entrenched taking data-driven decisions. Of course, that means that the debate is open to those who believe that the economy could just as easily fall off a cliff if the cuts don't start soon. But the Fed, they've done a pretty good job so far. The fall in inflation has slowed recently, and there is already a percentage of global trade bypassing the Red Sea risk and spending another 2 or 3 weeks on the water in order to go around Africa. As more trade may divert this way, this will of course increase the risk of inflation reigniting. Meanwhile, in the market, the dollar traders had a crack at short-term resistance yesterday, but the dollar index ran into selling pressure once again. That peaked around 103.80, and then we closed around 103.40 on the day. We kick off this morning from about 127.05 against the dollar, 117.40 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 108.25 on the open today. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.